Hey guys, welcome back. This is Captain Orlando Muniz with Nomad Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to show you how to cut a kingfish into steaks and how to fillet a snapper. Stay tuned for more. Let's begin with this small kingfish. We're going to start by taking a sharp knife and cutting off all of the dorsal fins. It's really important that the knife be sharp. We're going to remove the fins using a serrated knife. You do not want to use your fillet knife on this because it'll dull your blade. After the head is removed, we're going to carefully slice down the middle of the fish and remove all the insides. After this, we're going to take the point of the knife, of the fillet knife, we're going to slice into that bloodline and scrape all that excess blood off the fish. This will help improve the taste of the fish. Steaks can be cut to your liking. I generally like to do about 3/4 of an inch to an inch in thickness. I wanted to give a big shout out to all of you that have subscribed to the channel. It is your support that keeps this channel going, keeps the videos coming. I also wanted to go ahead and invite all of you that haven't already done so. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you all. Once the steaks are securely inside a plastic bag, you want to go ahead and push out all the excess air. This will help in maintaining freshness. Now is the snapper's turn. We're going to take our fillet knife and we're going to go along the rib cage and also along the dorsal fin, just using the tip of the knife to make a slight cut, just perforating the skin right behind those spines. Now we're going to take the same fillet knife and run it down a little deeper towards the backbone and run it along the rib cage. Sometimes you'll have a piece of the rib cage keeping the fillet on the fish. You may want to take your serrated knife and finish it off with that. Now we're just going to repeat the same process along the other side. Again, a sharp knife is a must. At this point, we're almost done. We're going to remove the meat from the skin. We're going to use a long fillet knife, and notice the blade is only going to move in one direction. We're also going to take our fillet knife and remove the bones from the center of the fillet, and also any rib cage bones that may be left over. What you end up with is a beautiful piece of meat ready to be cooked. Please don't forget to hit that like button, and you can also leave your comments, questions, or suggestions in the comment section. Thanks again.